Hey folks, I am at Fort Hunt Park getting ready for our 6th Annual Environmental Expo. You can come here and join us on April 27th. It's a Saturday from 11 to 3. We partner with the National Park Service, the George Washington Memorial Parkway. We have this amazing, free, family-friendly festival that we invite all to come and enjoy. And there's lots of ways you can learn how to make a difference in your home environment as well as in your community's environment. How to reuse and repurpose, and frankly, how to recycle. There's just a million ways that you're going to learn how you can be a better, responsible citizen of our planet. We'll have over 40 exhibitors such as Department of Public Works and Environmental Services, the Fairfax Alliance for Better Bicycling, or FAB, the Fairfax Tree Stewards, the Office of Energy and Environmental Coordination, Friends Groups, the Health Department, providing information about climate action, and many, many other fun interactive activities, including live music, reptile and raptor programs, history and nature walks, solar cooking, electric vehicles, buses and bikes, and our Purple Glass Monster recycling, as well as junior ranger programs, food and environmental make and take activities, games with scout troops, and Arcadia Farm, and many, 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 many more. So come on out, bring your family. This is an amazing event for the whole family and help us celebrate the end of National Parks Week as well as Earth Month. It will make a difference not only in your lives, in the lives of your friends and family, but in our planet. We need you.